Hello everyone, I just unloaded outside box that I just purchased, storage box. Looks like some of the plumbers have this storage box. Have lots of, let me shut the music off. Lots of fittings. What's good about this have DeWalt tool. All the storage we purchased for $50. They have couple Milwaukee sets of the bits fittings. Two of them, lots of pipes, beads. Let's see, this is gas, full. One, two. It sounds like someone really dig through the thing, but here their statement they're not allowed to dig through. This is nice fittings too. Whoever do plumbing know what it is. It's a big bead, a wood bead. I do have a little business, and all that is actually very worth for me. Oh, nice. Yeah, there's tools are missing, so there might be a Milwaukee battery, but I don't see tools. Craftsman, this is probably charger without battery. Tape. I have seen speaker over here, Bluetooth speakers. There's more fittings, screwdrivers, lots of empty boxes. Fittings, this is new. Nice wood bead, another tape. Vacuum. I have no idea what the hell is that thing is. It looks like all these things are new, full. There's another thing. Lots of tools that I can use. This is the very nice thing. It's a Hilti gun. It's not a Hilti gun, but it's nice penetrator. Brand new Delta water thingy. Let's see, some nice fittings over here. This is garbage. This is some shoes, batteries. Gas tank. I noticed it somewhere, Bluetooth speaker. Anyway, that's what I got it. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and share. Thanks. Storages are always nice.